Hello everyone, welcome to Elif's Kitchen. Today I will share an appetizer you can serve any meal, especially at breakfast. I want to share Girit sauce appetizer with cheese. Let's take about 200 grams of fatty feta cheese to food processor. I added 200 grams of strained yogurt and I used 1 or 2 grated garlic cloves. I added a full tablespoon of thyme, a very small amount of black pepper, and a quarter of a teacup of original olive oil. I used genuine olive oil. If you want, you can use liquid oil. Let's pass all the ingredients through food processor nicely. You can use leftover cheese this way, but you should definitely use feta cheese. We see the consistency as you see. It's spreadable. You can observe the desired consistency in the video. We can take it to a serving plate now. I wanted to serve using an ice cream spoon. You can decorate it as you wish. I sprinkled with some thyme, a pinch of red pepper and black pepper. I poured some olive oil on it. It's ready for service. This is a very easy and tasteful appetizer. I hope you like and try it. I'm waiting for your likes and comments. Thank you for watching my video.